I like to think that we remove problems for people. The Hudson Group business is based across 2 sites in Suffolk. We cover all aspects of marketing, so it can be anything ranging from the local newsagent through to the large B&Q retail parks.
Our new CNC Router allows us to make large format signage for such things as supermarkets, bowling alleys, retail parks. The new CNC Router goes double the speed as our previous one, so it's improved efficiency, profitability, and also enhances our ability to grow.
So the process upon completion of sale would be broken down into 4 main processes. Start with the design or sort of artworking process. So we'll work for a body of work as a folio that will be signed off prior to it going into the production, which would be the second process. Third process would then be the manufacturing, so combining the elements of the materials together, which would lead into the fourth process, which would be the installation or delivery.
We've invested in 2 new bits of equipment, a direct-to-garment printer and an Oakley transfer printer. Up until we got the DTG, we were specialising in more high-end workwear, but the new direct-to-garment enables us to print in ink rather than embroidery, which keeps the cost lower. The Oakley transfer printer enables us to print on any material, anything from a high-end barber jacket right through to a running t-shirt for a one-off event.
I like to think we're resourceful, adaptable and friendly.
At Hudson Group, it's all about our service. From the moment a client walks through the door, they will have a dedicated account handler. We have our studio team, they will deal with the whole process, the whole concept of that design, that end product.
We believe that great customer service is mandatory. What we're really good at the Hudson Group is making your brand visible.